Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Congratulations to everyone. Docs token already withdraw to Binance account. Look at the Docs token and Binance exchangers give me 10,000 Docs free. And tomorrow 6 p.m. will be listed the Docs token in the whole wallet to enjoy the Docs token and withdraw buy sell. Thank you for everyone and join my Telegram channel and found lots of airdrop earning system and airdrop mining board. Thanks for all.